Can JB Weld fix this 6-inch crack? Well, it's going to need some help. I put JB Weld before, about maybe right in here, and it opened up like the San Andreas Fault. So I just tried to think about different ways to do things and strengthen it. And first of all, you want to clean it up with a wire brush. And what's the JB Weld, and I'm going to use the cold cure JB Weld. Of course, I'm going to use giant tubes, as you'll understand in a second. And then use this house exterior vent, nice rigid screen that's going to work with the JB Weld. And so what I'm going to do is paint the JB Weld on, and then cut the screen to appropriate size, and then I'm going to paint more of the JB Weld on top of that. And I'm pretty sure it's going to work. You can see I worked on it before, but I only had like a 1-inch gap to be able to play with it. So I took the radiator out, and this should work for a good amount of time.